I will not comply with standard rules and regulations. A clever dick here has forgot the f***ing stove. There's a guy got a fucking sanitary pad.
The Bridge of Doom! Whoa, 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 oh shit!
I will not comply with standard rules and regulations. There's Philly. Get this stuff. Day bag. And we are at Dovedale in Derbyshire. Today's trail. Yeah. View. Beautiful, mate. Oh, mate, it's gotta be a fucking like 1 degrees here, mate. That view. There we are, double stepping stones. Oh, there he is. I'll tell him that he's guaranteed to get his feet wet, because I fucking did. Look at that though. What do you say? Do we need to be over there? Yeah. Looks like we're going back. Oh. Duck sanctuary. Fucking daffy duck. Looking for his food. There's fucking Mordor down there. Got a bit of turkey tail there.
Eat it.
Which is edible. Bit chewy. Good for your immune system. Tastes like spinach. You call it that because obviously it looks like a turkey's tail. I've actually made it illegal because it's fucking good for you, innit, Phil? Yeah.
Shit, it's been hit by lightning. It's all black.
Next stop to a cave. What's it called? What's this cave called?
Renyard Cave.
Renyard.
Bridge across and come up.
Yeah, that Barbara.
Barbara.
Barbara and fam. There's a path to the cave. Nice steep path. Oh yeah, we're already here, mate. That's not the cave, is it?
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
It's not like Paul's Cave, is it?
Nah. Four's anus. That's a steep ascent.
Isn't it?
There he is. Entering a big gaping hole. Getting up this fucking hill. Hey! Whoosh! Any bears? Hey. Oh, did you bring the lights? Hey. Get out for a view. Hey, you could fucking sleep, mate.
It's a leg work.
I'm telling you. Sweating my fucking head off. Time for a brew. Aye. Yeah. A clever dick here has forgot the stove for the gas. So it looks like we're going to have to go primal. Fucking hell. There's another cave. Oh, I can live in there. Got some more turkey tail there. Edible. Kayak. I'll go rinsing down there. I'll have a little cave, mate. To the Milldale.
Get you walking across that bridge.
Just big rocks and shit. Loads of coins in his tree stump. 2 caves. Big boulder on the hill there. Well, we just reached Milldale. First bit of civilization. I'm sure there's a cafe this way. Get something to eat. Well, it's fucking closed. Went on to plan B. Get the caveman to find the cave.
Yeah, I think they're on that bend.
Absolutely starving for.
Yeah.
Couple of sticks there ready for us, so fucking let's see if we can find a couple more. So luckily, got some wooden knives. And they seem dry inside. So let's get a bit of whittling done. Yep. Pick it up. Now, you might be asking why's a guy got a sanitary pad? Not just good for bleeding vaginas. They're good for packing wounds and getting a fire going.
Starting fires.
That's the one.
Recording.
There we go.
There we go. A fanny pad fire. This is what you got to do when you forget your stove.
Move to a drier spot. Managed to get it going. In there.
Yeah, man. Pretty much taking that.
Well, see if we've got enough to get this steak cooked. Why? Yeah. Getting nearly ready then. Primal meat there. Lovely.
Cave steak.
I'm gonna have to fucking walk
Yum,
back.
yum.
It's fucking dark now. So, yeah. Dip that in the fucking juices.
Happy days.
Lovely. How's your butty, bro?
Lovely.
It's like we're having a walk back in the dark. Fucking animals.
1968 Sausage Walter.
We're now walking back in the dark. It's raining. It's cold, but we had a steak butty. How was the journey, Phil? How was the journey?
Awesome.
There we go, back over.
The Bridge of Doom! Whoa! Oh shit! John's just got arse over tit.
Soldier's nice and fucking there. Hopefully don't do that here.
Nighttime river crossing. Let's go. Our current's fucking strong. The river is currently rising as well as it's pissing it on. Who the fuck crosses river at night? Oh, that's wet. John's made it across. Just gotta get across these bits. Oh, last bit. Oh, fucking bastard! Just got me on the last bit. What are you saying for that river crossing, John?
In wet. You made it back.
We're cold, we're wet, we're hungry, we're desperate for a brew, but we made it back to the front.
No brew. No brew in hours. Ay, ay, ay.
So the next adventure. Wait.
Starting out.